SiteGround Website Hosting Review, Usage Experience. Links to SiteGround are in the description below. SiteGround is one of the most reliable and performance-driven web hosting providers, making it an excellent choice for bloggers, small businesses, and WordPress users. It is officially recommended by WordPress.org, thanks to its fast servers, strong security, and excellent customer support. One of the key highlights of SiteGround is its speed and uptime performance. It uses Google Cloud infrastructure, SSD storage, and a built-in CDN, ensuring fast loading times. Combined with an impressive 99.99% uptime guarantee, your website stays online and loads quickly for visitors. It also offers a custom caching system with the Super Cacher plugin, significantly improving performance for WordPress sites. Security is another strong point. SiteGround provides free daily backups, AI-powered anti-bot protection, free SSL certificates, and advanced firewall rules. This makes it a great choice for users who prioritize website security without needing additional configurations. SiteGround's user-friendly dashboard is built for beginners and advanced users alike. Unlike cPanel, it uses a custom Site Tools panel, which is intuitive and well-organized. It allows easy management of domains, emails, backups, and site settings. The one-click WordPress installer and automatic updates make it ideal for non-technical users. Customer support is where SiteGround truly shines. Their 24/7 live chat, phone, and ticket support is highly rated, with fast response times and knowledgeable agents. The support team goes beyond basic troubleshooting and helps with WordPress optimizations, plugin issues, and performance improvements. Pricing is higher compared to budget hosts, but the value justifies the cost. Plans start affordably, but renewal prices increase significantly. However, with the level of performance, security, and support provided, it's worth the investment for serious website owners. Overall, SiteGround is one of the best hosting providers for those who want speed, security, and excellent customer service. It's an ideal choice for business websites, professional blogs, and WordPress users who need premium hosting features without technical complexity. If you're looking for a reliable and performance-driven hosting provider, SiteGround is highly recommended.